Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to show you guys a tutorial on how to program your DirecTV remote that is going to control your TV volume. So as you can see right now, if I try to turn volume up and down, it doesn't work. And when I change the channel, it's going to work. So currently right now it is you could control your Genie box or your receiver. Let me see, go to menu real quick. Go to setting. Go to remote control. So right here, we're going to go to pair program remote. All right, so we're going to go ahead and then change TV, because originally this one was like Samsung TV was on here. You had to know which is your TV. Mine is a Hisense HIS. So it's right there, the first one right here, Hisense. Gonna select it. And I don't know the model number. You could go ahead and scroll down, see which one is your model number. Mine's a 75 inch. I'm gonna click on I don't know my model. So the adding Hisense television. Oh, it says code successfully received. To test this code, press the volume plus. So I'm going to press volume plus and see if it works. Oh, so it works. So I'm going to highlight that. Let me mute it. I'm going to highlight that it worked on the right hand side. And then if you want, you go to program your audio device. So right here, if you have like other different kind of devices, like an amplifier or anything like that, and you could go ahead and try to program it. This is some of the device that's available right now. So yeah, they have a Pioneer, Philips, Pinnacle, Polk Audio, Prima, Project, ProScan, Proton, PS Audio, Pile. Yeah, they got so many. Radio Shack. What? Yeah, business. RCA, Realistic. So yeah, you could just go ahead and scroll down to whatever your brand is. So they got Samsung, Sensui, Sanyo, Sears, Sharper Image, Sherwood. Oh, those are old school. Yeah, so there are many of the different brands that you could program. Sony. Techniques, Techwood. Oh yeah, so you kind of get an idea. I'm not going to go through all of them. So yeah, this is how you program this remote to your TV, or if you have an amplifier. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in the comments on below. And thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.